This is Matthew Cratter from Trader University, and today I want to talk about my favorite momentum stocks for this week. If you're interested in learning how the economy actually works, so you can make money in both bull and bear markets, or you just want to see what I'm trading or investing in, be sure to hit that subscribe button. So as you know, if you've been following my channel, we've been getting bullish lately, and I do still believe that a huge stock market rally is underway and really will continue for the next few months. We're currently in the really bullish part of the year. This period from October through the end of April. If we take a look at the charts of the major indices, the SPY, the S&P 500, we can see that it's just the way that we like to see things, where the stock or the index is trading above the blue line, which is the 50-day moving average, and the blue line is above the 200-day moving average. This is a sign of an uptrend, as you know if you've been following my channel for any length of time. The QQQ is also showing really nice strength as well, and we're seeing a good recovery as well in the small cap stocks, the Russell 2000. So everything is really lining up beautifully from the perspective of the indices. Now let's drill down to some of the stocks we've been talking about. I made a video about strong stocks in a weak stock market, and a number of those stocks that I mentioned have been performing really well as the stock market recovers and takes off. So Twilio, TWLO, continues to really outperform. We saw a lot of institutional accumulation, which we could tell during when the market was weak. This was a stock that really didn't go down, so we could tell that institutions were accumulating it. Another one, TTD. The trade desk, as you know, we've been bullish on this for a few weeks, and it's just green after green after green, looking really, really good. Peloton's another one that we've been talking about really all year. You didn't even need to trade in and out of this one. You could just let it ride. A lot of people, if they don't want to do shorter term trading, will just use the 50-day moving average as sort of a trailing stop. And as the stock pulls away from the 50-day moving average, you can also sort of tighten your stop. So a natural place here would be to tighten your stop at around 100 or 110, some of these big round numbers, or even 120. You can also use shorter term moving average. You could add a 20-day moving average to this as well as a trailing stop. So there are lots of different ways to play this. None of this is an investment recommendation, obviously, or investment advice, but I'm giving you a list of some of the stocks that I've been trading and investing in. So Peloton, a lot of people think the housing market is going to crash, and I keep trying to fight this idea off because I think it's completely untrue. Top Build is a great example of a company that's in the housing sector. They make building material products, leading installer and distributor of insulation. This is not what you see when housing is crashing. Instead, we're seeing a real resurgence in housing driven by quantitative easing, lower interest rates, lower mortgage rates, etc. So that is BLD. And if you want to follow along with the home builders, as we talked about a couple days ago, XHB is the home builder index, also looking extremely strong. This is not a housing market crash environment. Next, we turn to a new name, Bandwidth, BAND. This one is performing really, really well. They offer a communications platform, sort of communications as a service over their own IP voice network. Just a great chart, breaking out to new highs as we speak. That's BAND. Vive is another name that we've been talking about all year long, really. It's really been strong since the March lows, and it's hitting new all-time highs as we speak, along with another favorite name, NOW, Service Now. Great looking chart, pulling away here and breaking out. This was another one of those stocks that showed very good support and good price action, really just pulled back to the 50-day moving average in the September lows, and the institutions were really guarding this 50-day moving average here and buying on every dip. If you're investing a lot of money like institutions do, you really do need to buy on weakness rather than buying on strength, because you have to move so many dollars into a stock. But this is one of the nice things about weak periods in the stock market. It gives you an idea of which stocks are holding up well, and so then you can position yourselves for when the overall stock market recovers as it has in October, a lot of these stocks will really take off and outperform the market. Twitter looking really, really good. This has been sort of a dead name for many years. I think it's an amazing platform. They just haven't really figured out how to monetize it. But this is one of those companies run by a very smart guy who also happens to like Bitcoin, and it's also showing really good price action here. I think it's hitting hitting new 52-week highs. That's Twitter, TWTR. Snap is another name we've been talking about. It's having a little bit of trouble breaking out here. I would have thought that it would have already broken out. I'm still very bullish on this name, just seeing how kids and teenagers and college students seem to be really gravitating toward this social network. And finally, another beloved sort of Bitcoin name, Square, took a position in Bitcoin a few days back, and they've just been firing on all cylinders, as is evident from their chart. Really, really good looking chart, and I would expect them to continue to perform really well. I also like this as a long-term hold. If you want to see my full list of momentum names, this is basically the list of stocks, the list of tickers that I keep on my desk when I'm trading. And when I have some free time to trade, I will, this is sort of the pool that I will fish in. And so I do share this to my trader. I share this with my Trader University premium subscribers, as well as a bunch of courses. This one, Momentum Stock Secrets, is a really nice way to learn how to trade these momentum stocks. There's a lot of intricacies involved in entries, exits, position sizing, risk management, how to enter a momentum stock that's already been going up for a while. And so if you're really into momentum stocks, and I think this is the place to be, the two places to be right now in the markets are Bitcoin, a few other cryptocurrencies possibly like Ethereum, and also momentum stocks. If you're doing value investing, if you're doing these sort of strategies, they just don't work anymore, and you're going to be hitting your head against a wall for many years to come. If you join Trader University Premium, you get access to all of my courses, all 13 courses, including my flagship course, Learn to Trade Stocks Like a Pro. If you know nothing about trading stocks, this is really the one to start with. And other courses, Learn to Day Trade. I have a course on swing trading with options, a course on IPOs, etc. So really, wherever you are in your market journey, whether you're a beginner or an intermediate or an advanced trader, you can find something in these courses, as well, of course, as my list of favorite momentum stocks. So if this is something that interests you, you can click on the description notes below, click on the link, and it'll take you to this page. You can see all the different courses, and then you can click on any of these if you want to see what the lectures are. Then you can scroll down to the bottom, click Get It Now, which will take you to the checkout page. Now, normally access to all courses, all 13 courses, including my list of momentum stocks, is just $125 for 30 days access. There are no long-term contracts or anything like that. But I do want to give you a coupon code. So if you click right here where it says have a coupon code, type YT as in YouTube 99, click update, and that'll take $26 off. So you can get access to everything for just $99 for 30 days. You can cancel before your subscription is up and you won't be charged again. You can basically, if you want, just pay the $99, watch all the courses, take notes, and go from there. I'm also going to be adding new courses as quickly as I can. So I really want to make this the best resource on the internet for trading and investing and really learning how to make money in the markets and how the markets actually work. Not the way they tell you that it works in the Wall Street Journal or Bloomberg or in your economics class, but the way that it actually works and the way that real traders make money using things like momentum stocks. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe and like button. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I come out with my next YouTube video. And let me know your questions and comments in the comment section below. Thanks a lot for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.